how to fix Valorant lag problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, first all you need to do, just type here device manager. Now go to display adapters, right click on your GPU and click update driver, and after that, after updating your driver, if you want to update it, just click update, search automatically for drivers and wait until you find an update for your driver, and then type here Windows update settings, and now just you will find here check for updates. Just check for new updates, and if you find an update, just update your Windows. Now restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, I will show you what to do again. I will show you what to do after that. Just type here advanced system settings, and then click settings here, click adjust for best performance and click apply, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.